Hello, viewers. Today, in this episode, I want to share some tips for those who have trouble understanding language. Be it our unofficial national language English or foreign language like French or Spanish. These tips are applicable to even Hindi or Gujarati. This is how I learned English and French. And this is what I advise to students who ask me how to improve their language comprehension. So, without wasting time, let's come directly to the point. Tip number one is reading to improve your grammar and understanding syntax formation. Yes, reading. Whatever you can get your hands on novels, old newspapers, magazines, or even manuals of machines. But read regularly. It should be consistent. You do not need to join any fancy coaching class for this. And don't worry if you come across some difficult, incomprehensible words. Whenever you come across such words, instead of just getting stuck on it, you try to understand the gist of the context. Eventually, as you keep reading, you will come across the same words twice or thrice. But after three or four different types of readings, you will understand the meaning of the word, and trust me. This method is a bit unconventional, but it is much better than finding the meaning in a dictionary or Google. Tip number two is watching. You can start by watching videos in your preferred language. You can see movies, documentaries, cartoons, or even watch in an unknown language, but keep the subtitles on in the language you want to learn. Yes, this is the best way to improve your phonetics and your intonation. Tip number three is talking. Yes, so as you start to talk in the language you want to learn, you will start feeling confident. Don't worry if in the start you fumble or end up with the wrong sentence formation, you will eventually pick it up after some time. This may vary from person to person depending on their linguistic abilities. But the only way to master a language is to keep practicing. Tip number four, don't try to make complex sentences in your head in your mother tongue and then translate them in the language you want to learn. Start by doing small sentences and eventually raise your level by making complex sentences using more than two, three, or even four phrases. Tip number five is writing. You can write or type in your computer and then use autocorrect as your savior. This will help you to test your own creativity. You can start by writing small paragraphs on any topic, gradually moving on to essays, and then even make up comic strips or imaginative stories in your head and then write them down. Tip number five is using tools like Duolingo or Babbel. You can use new tools like Duolingo, Babbel, quizzes.com, etc. in order to improve on your language skills. These come in levels like games, and you can progress smoothly like you do in games in a fun manner. Tip number six is never get impressed by people with fake accents or even original for that matter. Most of them speak in an accent to intimidate or impress others. So, whenever someone speaks to you in that way, you may politely ask them to speak in a normal way in order to understand. That's all. So, I hope these tips will help you. They are very small, but they might make a huge impact on your learning. Thanks for watching.